Hello, welcome to CFM New Arrival this week and get updated on something fresh and exciting. In this video, I'd like to introduce 3 newly launched products, and all of them are Canopy tent add-ons. The first product is a tent awning. Add a tent awning to your pop-up tent, and you can keep your tent cool, dried, and protected from sun or rain. Next is the Tent Peak Flag Kit. If you would like your branding messages further exposed, then a perfect way is to add a peak flag to your tent. The last one is the multifunctional tent full wall. This creative full wall with windows can not only showcase your logo, but also allow your audience to catch what you are exhibiting inside. Why should we have the add-ons for Canopy tents? Versatile Canopy add-ons usually make it more valuable and more convenient to use. The basic function of a Canopy tent is to provide shade, mark your area, and promote your brand. Whenever you have an outdoor event, you need to consider the sun and rain protections based on the weather conditions. Then a Canopy tent with walls and awning valance could help you out. The tent awnings and walls can be custom printed with your design and logo. Moreover, they are designed for easy installation, and one person can set them up in minutes. Better brand exposure and more eye-catching are what we are expecting at each event. Inserting a flag on your tent top can definitely create a big impact on your audience. Besides the basic functions, there are also some other advantages of our tent add-ons. First, the graphics of the add-ons are highly customizable, and you can print any logo, design, or color as you like. Meanwhile, the high-quality dye sublimation printing will ensure you a vibrant color and perfect display effect. Second, they are practical. On one hand, they can make your branding information double exposed, and on the other hand, they can offer a shade and shelter to protect you from sun or rain. What's more, they are designed for easy installation, totally hassle-free. At last, CFM offers free artwork service. When you place the order online, our artwork person will help you process the artwork, and a digital artwork proof will be sent to you before printing. Then how to place the order and get a sample. At CFM, it's quite simple. Log into your account and you can find new arrivals on the navigation bar. If you don't have an account yet, please register first. Click the New Arrivals and you can find all our newly launched products. Also, you can search the product by typing the keywords in the searching column. On our online ordering system, you can check the products, get instant quotes, and place orders efficiently. By the way, we offer sample coupons for each of our newly launched products. Don't forget to get the sample coupon before placing a sample order. Click Marketing Support and you will find the sample coupon application page. Okay, this is all about today's introduction of newly launched products. Thanks for your watching and looking forward to seeing you at our next video.